Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Aarti. Welcome back to my channel. And in this session, I am going to teach you a breathing technique called Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So, what is Anulom Vilom Pranayama? What is Anuloma? Anuloma is nothing but it means natural order or direction, and Viloma is just the opposite of Anuloma. So it means reverse order or reverse direction. So some of the benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayama, it helps in the purification of your body. So it purifies your body. How does it purify your body? As you all know, there are about 72,000 nadis in our body. Nadis are nothing but energy channels. So these energy channels get cleared. So when your energy channels get cleared, you have about 7 chakras in your system, 7 main chakras. So it helps to align those chakras. What are the other benefits? It increases the oxygen supply in your body, and it helps to clear your skin because it clears all the nadis, and once the nadis are cleared, this helps to purify your body. So once your body is purified, this helps in blood purification. When your blood is purified, it shows in your skin. The other thing is it helps in stress management, it helps in relaxing, it aids in weight loss if you do it for more than 15, about 15 to 20 minutes in a day. And those who are starting this pranayama, you can do it for 1 or 2 minutes and then proceed to doing it for 5 to 6 minutes and slowly increase the time. So this definitely helps in aiding weight loss, and then it acts on both hemispheres of your brain because we use both the, this is called the Ida and this is the Pingala, and the Sushumna Nadi runs from your main chakra, your crown chakra, to your root chakra. So when all the chakras are activated and they start functioning properly, both your right and left hemisphere of your brain start functioning equally, and this helps in keeping emotional balance. And then this helps to control obesity, like helping in weight loss, and then it is a good cure for arthritis, and this helps in clearing your respiratory system. So it helps for people who have asthma, and those are the benefits. When can this pranayama be done? It can be done both either in the morning or in the evening. So just take care that if you have a heavy lunch, it's not post lunch, 4 hours after the lunch. So, and this pranayama also helps in curing insomnia because it relieves stress and makes you calm. So it helps in making you sleep. So this can be done before bedtime also. So let's start the pranayama. Keep your head, neck and back erect in a straight line. Hand in your right hand in Nasika Mudra. Close these two fingers. Your left hand should be on your other thigh. It should be in Chin Mudra. I hope you know what is Chin Mudra. Keep these two fingers together and this should be like this. So this is Nasika Mudra. So I keep my hand like this. First I close my right nostril, breathe in through the left nostril, close my left nostril, breathe out through the right nostril. Again breathe in through the right nostril and close my right nostril with my thumb and breathe out through the left nostril. So this completes one round of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Let me show you one round of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So breathe in, keep your eyes closed, back, neck and your spine should be in a straight line, your head should be in a straight line. This completes one round of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. You can do it for a new practitioner can do it for 1 to 2 minutes, and slowly you can increase it 5 to 6 minutes. But doing about 15 to 20 minutes, as I told you earlier, will help you in aiding with weight loss. It also helps in controlling obesity, and there are other benefits which I already told you. So please practice this. And I wanted to tell you one more thing. What is the difference between Anulom Vilom Pranayama and the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama? Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, or the Nadi Cleansing Pranayama, or what you can say as it cleans all the nadis in the body. What is the difference between this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama and Anulom Vilom? Doesn't it look same? Yes. So Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, you hold your breath. When you inhale, you hold your breath for a minute, which is called Kumbhaka, or holding your breath, and then you exhale. Again inhale, hold your breath, and then exhale. So Anulom Vilom is before the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and Nadi Shodhana Pranayama is the next step after Anulom Vilom, where you learn to hold your breath for a second. So that is the difference between Nadi Shodhana and Anulom Vilom Pranayama. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Please practice it at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Please practice it and know how you feel, and then we can meet in the next session. So until I see you in the next session, it's bye from Aarti. Namaste. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please share my video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.